give everybody a little taste of what it's like to be driving in Manitoba in the wintertime when the wind kicks up a little bit. I don't know if you can see anything, but there's a truck there and a car in front of me. You know, you can kind of see shapes, but it's a little disconcerting at times. The world is there for a minute, and then suddenly it's gone again. And this is my turn. Gotta go. Okay, now this is getting a little scary. I have actually slowed down a bit from highway speeds, because when you can't see more than 20 feet in front of you, that's an issue. And my little four-banker here, I gotta keep the revs up to keep it going through this. And you just hope that nobody runs into you, and every once in a while it clears up like this, and then you drive right back into it. Not the best driving conditions. This wind is brutal. This is where it gets a little scary too, because that wind blows across the highway, fills in all the little voids in the concrete, and it just becomes one big sheet of ice. Driving on wet glass, for anybody that doesn't know what ice is like, yeah, I think that'd be the best way to describe it. It's like being on wet glass. Yeah, you drive past businesses, they break the wind for you for a little while, or shelter belts, strips of trees, whatever, and you're all cool, cruising along, then it's not so bad. As soon as there's any sort of a break, a little bit of an open field, boom, you get hit with it again. It's not nearly as bad when you're going past stuff like this, sheltered. But as soon as you get to an open field, see it coming. And there we are, back into the whiteout. Yeah, not sure if you can see, oh yeah, there he is. Not sure if you can see or not, I was just going to say, but there's a bus in front of me with a bright flashing light on its roof. So yeah, it gets pretty nuts out here. Especially, yeah, there you go, he's gone now again. Yeah, Manitoba driving. Yeah, this is just a typical drive between towns in Manitoba in wintertime. It's a bad day, don't get me wrong, this isn't normal. But slow down a little bit because you can't see anything. Yeah, not a normal day, but it's not uncommon to drive in conditions like this in Manitoba in the wintertime. So yeah, just thought I'd give you a little view of what it's like up here, and I'm going to stop driving and vlogging now.